Okay, so today we're going to cover orthographic projection. And orthographic projection's definition is two-dimensional graphical representation of an object formed by two perpendicular intersections of lines drawn from point on an object to a point or to a plane of projection. Okay? So the two main types, are first angle and third angle projection. So as you can see here, these are planes, the two intersecting lines. So in first angle projection, you're viewing from the top where the cursor is here, and it goes down through the object and the picture plane is behind it. Likewise with elevation or end view, you start out here, you look at the object and it hits the picture plane. Unlike third angle projection, where the picture plane is above, so when you're looking where the cursor is, you look down, hits the object, and comes back up to your picture plane where it's represented. Same with this. So you look across where the cursor is, hits the object, back out. Okay? So now, this is a graphical representation of that. So you have your cube with your object inside for third angle and first angle. So you're looking in from here, hits the object, come back out to the picture plane in third angle. Unlike first angle projection where it is, you look from here through the object and hits the back plane. Likewise, the elevation comes in, hits the object, come back out to the picture plane. Unlike first angle, when it goes in, hits the object, goes through the object onto the picture plane. So this means when you're viewing it on a page or on a drawing sheet, your drawing will be, your elevation will be on top. Unlike third angle, your elevation will be on the bottom. Your plan will be on the bottom, and your, depending on what side you're viewing it from, your end view will be on the left or the right. Okay? So this is first angle projection. This is the symbol. Third angle projection will be the opposite to this, so your circles will be on the other side. Okay? So this is what I'm saying, just reinforcing that. So you view from where the arrow is down through the object and hits the picture plane. So there's your drawing. And then your elevation through the object and hits the picture plane. Okay? So that's like you unfolded the cube around. So there's your object. Then you unfold the cube around to this. So that's your layout. So this is third angle. So that's the same for third angle. You should just know them for practicality reasons. Okay, so here's your arrow. Come in, hit the object, back out onto your picture plane. So your box is essentially a picture plane, if you get me. So then down, hits the object, back up. So that's just how you'd view it. That's how you visualize it for when you want to put it onto a sheet. Right? So now I'll just give you that's just a sheet again. So now I'll end show. Okay, so we have a model here made out. So this is just a model I made up. So the pink is what you'll see from your plan. Green is what you see from your elevation. Yellow is what you'll see from your end view. And the black is just an auxiliary view, which we'll go through in another day. Okay, so here's our sheet. This is how you lay it out in a sheet. Okay, so there's your 3D model again. So in elevation, you can only see the blue. As here, you can only see the blue. Plan, you can only see, this is third angle now, by the way. You can only see the pink. And then in end view, you can only see the yellow. So that's third angle. Look how different first angle is now, okay? So first angle is, your elevation is up here, but you can still see the same stuff depending on hidden detail and all that. But you can still see the same view, it's just laid out on your sheet differently. So there's third angle, there's first angle. Okay, so it's the same object, but your plan, elevation, end view are just different positions, depending on if it's third angle or first angle projection, and depending on what hidden detail there is. But hidden detail is kind of more in depth, so we'll go through that in another topic.